Hey y'all, PiecesofNika is back, and in this video I'm going to be meal prepping, and I'm going to be showing you all what I'm going to be preparing for me for this week and for Parker. And my husband's going to be eating something slightly different because for me this week I'm going to be doing no meat. So I've been, slowly but surely trying to eat healthier, and sometimes do meatless Mondays, and some weeks I do no meat. So this is going to be a week of me with no meat. So I'm going to be basically just showing you all real quick what I'm going to be eating this week, and showing you what I'm going to be preparing for Parker for daycare. Every day at daycare I send him with 3 meals. He always has a fruit for breakfast or some type of breakfast meal. He'll take something for lunch, and he'll take something for his 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock meal right before he comes home. And I send him with 2 snacks to eat in between those meals. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I prepare our meals for this week. And I thank you for watching. Keep watching. Okay y'all, so my breakfast is going to be these Eggland's Best cage-free large brown eggs. They're going to be boiled in the morning because I like them freshly boiled. And also some mornings I will be eating this Cascadian Farm organic French vanilla almond granola with the strawberries and these pineapples. These would be breakfast slash in between snacks in between my meals. And my dinner is going to be the sweet potatoes with broccoli and salad. So on my salad I get the 50-50 spring mix, and I like cheese, cucumber, and this is my favorite fat-free wishbone Italian dressing, and these Mrs. Couberson's croutons. I don't really care for tomatoes, so I don't put those on my salads. I just cannot eat a salad without these items. So yeah, this is my dinner. So my lunch is going to be this bird's eye oriental stir fry from Walmart. And these are the pears that Parker eats for breakfast. Little snappers, kid-sized fruit. So what I do is I peel them and cut them into small bite-sized pieces, and I steam them in my steamer, and that's what he eats for breakfast. I do him 6. These are Parker's 2 favorite snacks. The Organics Happy Baby Organic Teething Wafers in blueberry and purple carrot, and the Gerber Puff Strawberry Apple. He loves both of these, so we do give him these occasionally throughout the day to just snack on in between his meals. So yeah, this is what he likes. So Parker will be eating this ground turkey with carrots and sweet potatoes. y'all. I'm sweating. But yes, so that is going to be my meatless week. That is everything I'm going to be eating this week. I'm glad I can show you all what Parker and I will be eating this week. Had a good time filming this for you all, and I hope you all enjoyed it. I thank you all for watching, and you all keep us in your prayers. We need them, and I just love you all, and thank you for your support, and I will see you all in my next video. Good night.